I'm Dave, and this is Candle, where we find out if we can make cool things. Today, we're going to be making an RC car track. So, let's get to building.
Alright, so while Connor's doing that, he's making the teeter-totter part. And that's just gonna go like right around here. I'm just working here.
So, I had a problem with the teeter-totter. I couldn't get this to stay, the pencil, to go in there. So, I used a little thing called, what I like to call super tape. Basically hot glue and tape. The tape keeps the hot glue, it can secure the hot glue. Probably not how physics work. It's just how I think it works, but, you know. Feels pretty good. I can hold it by it.
Alright, so we're testing out our first part. Okay, oh no. I think we need more dirt there to get like a little bit more of a ramp. Alright, take two. We are trying this again. Alright. Okay. Cool. Alright. Nice. You need to you need to turn. Alright.
We probably need to make the turn a little bit wider.
Yeah.
So we're sprucing up the exit because before, like in the last shot, you were able to tell that we could not get enough turn or without falling. So now the turn's way wider. So you can take your time going down.
Okay.
I can't see me.
Which way are you gonna go?
This way, to test out the feature.
I think we need to make the ramp a little bit less steep.
Well, it's a challenge.
Well, yeah, but it's not fun when you can't get up.
You can. It's just hard. Let's... Oh. No way, you cannot find where to save that.
Alright, well, we'll end it there. Let's take one of our second part. No. Okay, well, didn't work. Nice.
So, everything's pretty much done. We got the teeter. Then we got the bridge. Now, we're just outlining everything. David did a really good job carving out that path back there.
Go. No. No. Okay.
I can't see me.
I think we need to make the ramp a little bit less steep.
Well, it's a challenge.
Well, yeah, but it's not fun when you can't get up.
You can. It's just hard. Let's. Oh. No way, you cannot find where to save that.
All right, well, we'll end it there.
Frickin' flip! Help me!
I'm coming.
Oh my god. You gotta back up. You gotta back up more than that. Yeah. Just as quick.
Sorry, this is my first time going.
It was my first time.
God,
No, we both fell.
Oh my God.
Home, baby.
Bada bing, bada boom, watch this. First try. Okay, first try. Okay, watch this. First try. First try. Bada bing, bada boom. Alright. I'll wait for you.
I can't see. I still can't see.
Okay, I'm going.
I don't know if you can fix me.
Watch this. Here, I'm gonna go all the way around. Good job.
Go, go, go! Rápido, rápido!
Good. Okay. You might have to take these rocks out.
No, you just have to figure it out. The point of rock climbing. Freaking this
Ratio?
game sucks.
Wait, I'm gonna try to get you.
I don't know if you'll be able to flip me.
Yeah, I'll go this way, right? All the way around.
If you flip me, I will congratulate you. You're hitting that.
There. Okay, and then
Now just push the front of my car. Let's go! You're just better at the game.
I deserve a congratulation. We'll go at the same time. We'll go
Okay.
at the same time. Okay.
Go, 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 go.
Okay. Okay. Going at the same time. Going at the same time. Okay. Okay. Okay.
If you can make it.
Okay. Watch this. Watch this. I'm gonna go backwards.
Okay. Now you gotta move! No! I'll push you. Hold on.
You look fun.
Ready? Oh my god, I'm lifting you up. Now I run. Go, go!
Yes.
Yes! You landed!
I'm stuck. You gotta help me, Connor.
Bad at the game.
All right. All right.
I probably just flipped myself. I'm good here. I'm going backwards.
Okay. You flip me over again.
Ratio.
Help me. Help me out. Help me out here.
I'm fine.
Go.
Alright, so we're finished. But we feel like we're gonna come back. We wanna make more. We have tons of empty space, but these are still really cool. We are very surprised that actually worked on first try. We put it together and it worked straight away. That is a first. This we had to do a little bit to it. It wasn't too much, but we might, yeah, it'll take some process to trial and error to get it to work perfectly. But we're gonna make another episode on this about. We're probably gonna add some trailhead, like some trail signs, stop signs, and then some other features. So, see you in the next video.